Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon and good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. Today I am showcasing the construction of DIY multi-story garden of 3 soil levels, and that's my third multi-story garden. As always, I gathered the necessary tools, that is a garden rake, a hoe, a spade, polythene bag pieces of different length, perforated plastic bottles filled or stuffed with soil. I also gathered the necessary materials, that is loam soil and mulch. I started making the first or ground soil level by laying the 15-feet polythene piece on the ground, stretching it with supports, the perforated plastic bottles filled with soil, to make a circular or round shape and also firm the soil level. You could also use wooden rods or sticks, iron rods or metallic rods or pieces, and plastic pipe pieces as your supports. But in my case, I prefer to use the perforated plastic bottles filled with soil because they have many advantages. Like they are readily available or easy to get, they are cheap, they do not rot or decay, contrary to using wooden rods or sticks, hence making your garden durable because they protect it from collapsing. Bottles have no sharp surfaces or ends, contrary to using metallic rods or iron rods that could pierce your hands in the course of constructing or working with your multi-story garden. Bottles can also be used for other purposes in your garden besides supporting it, like for irrigating the soil. Since they have holes or since they are perforated, they can be used for applying fertilizers and pesticides. After stretching the first level or polythene piece of 15 feet long, I added mulch, which is garden waste, comprising banana leaves, tree leaves, withered grass, and some kitchen refuse or waste, which will in turn decay or rot and add fertility to the soil. Then I added soil to the first or ground soil level and feed it up to the top. I then made the second or middle soil level using a polythene piece of 10 feet long on top of the first soil level, following the same procedure of adding supports to stretch the polythene or level, adding mulch and soil. I then made the third or topmost or final or last soil level of 5 feet long on top of the second or middle soil level, following the same procedure of adding supports, mulch and loam soil like I did for the first and second soil levels. And as I finalize the construction, let me give you a hint, guys. This video is relating to environmental conservation as well, in a sense that some of the materials I am using to construct the multistorey garden, like plastic bottles and used up or old or wasted polythene bag, have been recycled for planting crops, hence preventing water and air pollution, plus protecting the soil drainage system. And this is the final outcome, guys. Thanks for watching.